Hi, I'm Lucy, your narrator. Thanks for joining me for another video, and if this is your first time here, a very warm welcome to you. Before we get started, please kindly take a moment right now and click that subscribe button and notification bell so you can be alerted of every time I upload a new video. And also please watch this video to the end to see the preview trailer and some behind the scenes photos. The Bishop's Wife is a comedy, drama, romance, and fantasy, and it won 1 Oscar. It was released in the USA in 1947 and it stars Cary Grant, Loretta Young, and David Niven. And some of their co-stars were Monty Woolley, James Gleason, Gladys Cooper, Elsa Lanchester, Sara Haden, Karolyn Grimes, Tito Vuolo, Regis Toomey, Sarah Edwards, Margret McWade, Ben Erway, Erville Alderson, Robert J. Anderson, and Teddy Infuhr. This movie is about a debonair angel comes to Earth to help an Episcopalian bishop and his wife in their quest to raise money for the new church. And now for some behind-the-scenes trivia and tidbits. Originally, Cary Grant played the bishop and David Niven the angel. When original director William A. Cedar left the film, Henry Coster replaced him and viewed what had been shot so far. He realized that the two were in the wrong roles. It took some convincing because Grant wanted the title role of the bishop. He eventually accepted the change, and his role as the angel was one of the most widely praised of his career. And one scene shows Cary Grant and Loretta Young in a conversation. Director Henry Coster staged this with the two facing each other, but both complained that this showed the wrong side of their faces. In order to show the correct side, they both had to be looking screen left, which made a face-to-face talk impossible to film. So Coster had a window set piece brought in, and he filmed it from outside with both looking out in the same direction, Grant behind Young. The next day, producer Samuel Goldwyn visited the set after seeing dailies and berated Coster for shooting the scene in that manner. Coster replied by asking Young and Grant to explain why the scene was shot that way. After both told Goldwyn about the right and wrong sides of their faces, Goldwyn said, "Look, if I'm only getting half a face, you're only getting half a salary," and stormed off the set. The subject of right and wrong sides never came up again. And over Cary Grant's protest, a skating double wearing a mask with Grant's features was used in the long shots of the complex skating routine. A skating double was also used for Loretta Young on all long shots. And Michael Landon's second wife was a big fan of this movie. She was so crazy about this film that it became a holiday Christmas ritual at home. His second wife told Michael that this would make a good series. That series turned out to be Highway to Heaven.
Hollywood, California. It was in these very studios that we recently tried to make a trailer for a new and wonderful picture called The Bishop's Wife. You know what a trailer is. One of those little films you see at your theater which shows you scenes from some big picture that's coming soon. Well, we made the big picture, and it's on its way. But something happened to the little one. It was on the day we finished all work on The Bishop's Wife. The stars were on their way home.
Well, looks like it.
Yes, great job, Loretta.
Goodbye, Cary. It's wonderful working with you. Goodbye, David.
See you very soon.
Very soon, I hope.
Bye, David. See you tonight. Oh, that's right. Whoa! What about the trailer? Trailer?
Oh, I forgot all about it.
Well, they must be set up somewhere. Where are they? Say 6.
No, I think they're on 8, David.
8? Oh, yes, come on. Just a minute, folks. I'm sorry. Can't go in without a pass.
Oh, well, you see, we work here. That is, we just finished over there, now we...
All right, so you're finished. There's no one stopping you from leaving.
But you don't understand. We still have to make the trailer.
And I'm sure you wouldn't want to stop us from telling people about a great picture like The Bishop's Wife.
Have you seen it?
No, not exactly, but...
Then how do you know it's great?
Well, we had a lot of fun making it, and that's always a very good sign.
Well, look, maybe so, but I'm new here. I don't know you folks, unless you got a pass.
I'm David Niven, and I play the bishop.
And I'm Loretta Young, and I play the bishop's wife.
I'm Cary Grant. I play...
Shh.
Oh, that's right.
Wait a minute. What's the matter?
Well, nobody's supposed to know what part I play until they see the picture.
Then what do you need of the trailer?
Well, we'd like folks to come in and see the picture. It's very fine, and it's quite the most unusual picture Sam Goldwyn has ever made.
Oh, yeah, it's full of surprises.
Oh, please.
Well, if you put it that way.
Thanks, officer.
I've got an idea.
What?
The bishop's wife is different. Let's keep it that way. Let's have no trailer.
Oh, David, a picture without a trailer?
No, that's it. Why take all the wonderful surprises out of it before people see it?
All right, so...
If you like that one, we've got a lot more. Hotter than your morning coffee.
Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, I would greatly appreciate it if you would please kindly give me a like, comment below, share with others, subscribe to my channel, and click the notification bell to be alerted of every time I upload a new video. Please come back to see the next one. Until then, bye for now, and be blessed.